Look how pretty it is. We're barely halfway done. Look at my girl. Come on, honey. We like all that shit. Come on, babe. Get up there. Get up there, baby. You want to take a break? You want to drink water? Come here. Come here. You tired? Fatty, the water's right there. Oh, you want your water? Look how pretty it is. It's nice and pretty, baby. Look, Fatty needs to rest. She needs to rest. Why you gotta rest, honey? You tired? No? I know, shut up. Give me the water. Your heart shaking? Yes, that's called exercising. It's called exercise, honey. Ooh, oh, this is so good. I'm gonna start making fun of you.
Give me water.
Please, can I get it, please? Bitter. Oh, baby's doing a sad face. Here, hold it. Record. Recording. I'm sweating too.
That's my fat boyfriend.
Shut up, I'm not fat. Fucking sucks. These rocks. Stop! Show my stomach. Then the girl's gonna freaking want me. No, baby, you don't want the girlfriends to take me. Shit, look. Just look at these. Oh, no! It's my six pack down there. Here, look.
One peg.
It's my six keg.
One peg.
This is six keg. Ah! Hey, stop! Fatty. You're the fat one. I'm okay. I don't know about you. You're the one that's tired. I'm not tired. By the way, I'm not motherfucking tired. Yes, I might be sweating a little bit, but I'm not tired at all. Okay? Look. I walked all that shit. I did all that and I ran it. Okay? Alright, motherfuckers. Alright, look at that. Ha ha ha. Look at the river. It's pretty, babe. It's pretty nice out here. We're not even, we're not halfway up yet. It's not even halfway. It's like a quarter. We've only been walking 10 minutes, honey. Only been walking 10 minutes up and it's... Oh shit, I don't think I'm gonna make it to the castle. Well, I know I'll make it, but I don't know about you. You know? Ooh, what are you doing there? Oh, babe, I love you. I love you. I love you.
You're sweating.
I'm sweaty. Am I for real?
Yeah.
Where? Ooh.